If there is a wonder drug for health, it's walking. Hello everyone, welcome back. Who doesn't like a healthy body and a healthy mind? The point is, as soon as we visualize a healthy body, what comes to our mind is strenuous physical activities, spending a lot of time in the gym, a strict diet plan, investing a lot of time. Now, thinking about these things itself can demotivate a lot of people. In this video, let's just focus on that one single thing which can get to a very healthy body and mind. Walking is probably the most underrated exercises. It is very ironic that the exercises which involves a lot of physical strain are listed as better exercises. Walking is definitely an exception. In fact, walking is one of the exercises which can not only burn calories but also give you more strength and endurance. So let's go through some of the benefits of walking and at last the three major components which we have to focus while walking. Benefit number one is strengthening your heart. Study shows that around 30 to 45 minutes of walk per day can reduce the risk of coronary heart diseases by 15 to 20%. We all know that running is good for heart, but so is walking. And it also improves the cholesterol and blood pressure. Number two is it increases the lungs volume. We all know that walking is an aerobic exercise and it improves the oxygen flow into our blood streams and it eliminates the waste and toxins. It also increases the immune system. Benefit number three is the positive impact on pancreas. Walking can prevent diabetes. In fact, people who walk, they have 6 times greater improvement to glucose tolerance and blood sugar absorption is better. Benefit number 4 is it can ease the joint pains which you have. Walking helps lubricate and strengthen the muscles to support the joints, especially the hip and knees. It also can prevent arthritis. Benefit number 5 is back pain relief. Walking can aid better blood circulation within the spinal structure and make your spine posture good. Finally, benefit number 6, a calmer mind. Half an hour to 45 minutes of walk 5 days a week can relax your mind completely, change your mood and have a very positive impact on your overall behavior. Now, while these can be the benefits, there are 3 key components which we have to look at while walking, and I call it as TIP. TIP stands for time, interval and pace. So let's look at this quickly. Time. How long do we need to walk? So if you are a beginner, 30 to 45 minutes per day is a decent start, which will on an average cover around 6,000 to 7,000 steps. Interval. How often do you need to walk? So around 3 to 4 days per week is a good start. And finally, pace. How fast do you have to walk? Around 4.5 to 5 kilometers per hour is a decent speed to start with, and you can slowly increasing thereupon. If there is a wonder drug for health, it's walking. So follow the TIP formula and happy walking. Thank you.